Hi guys, I'm Seb from West Aus Epoxy. Just here today reviewing the Arbortech Mini Grinder. Awesome little tool. Most of us are used to the 125mm discs when it comes to grinders to get nice and tight up into the corners. This features a custom disc, quite small, probably no bigger than about a 50-cent piece, and it just allows you to get right up into the walls, removing any of the paint or any adhesives from any previously laid coatings. It's a really good tool for the epoxy installers, even the concrete grinders. Whatever you need to grind your tight spots right up against your walls, around your door frames, etc.